got my bread knife here. Start sweating these onions, bro. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to the stream. If you just joined, caramelizing some of these onions. Gonna throw some pepper on here. Gonna put some brown sugar in here, dude. We're gonna let the burger sit for a while. I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, some Worcestershire sauce. Love this with onions. Just gives it that nice fermented garlicky taste. Gonna cook these down. Yeah, dude, I'll Postmates this to you, bro. I'll Postmates it to you. Just gonna grab our stick of butter here. I'm gonna melt it down in the pan. Rub these all over these nice rolls, bro. Alright, it's starting to look good, boys. Starting to look good, boys. Nah, dude, they're resting, bro. You gotta let them sit for a few minutes. They gotta absorb the juices. Yeah, don't worry, dude. I just felt them. They're still super hot. Still super hot, bro. Alright, dude, let's start assembling these burgers, boy. Hold on, let me grab my ketchup. Alright, dude, I got my ketchup. I'm gonna start putting these together. Let's move this out of the way. Alright, we'll take our bottom bun here. We'll start with the patty. Actually, you know what? Let's go with the onions first. Put the onions on the bottom. Go with the patty. Get some nice, a nice big breaded butter pickle on there, you know what I mean? Grab your ketchup. A little bit of seasoned salt. And a little bit more of the onion on top. Here we go, buddy. Alright, let's do the same thing for this one. Grab some of them onions. Them nice caramelized onions, bro. Grab our burger patty. Get that nice pickle on there. Throw down some of this ketchup. A little bit of seasoned salt. Top that bitch off with some more onions. Bam. And then we got the non-cheese one here. Let's get that layer of onion. Get the patty on there. Get the nice pickle. Get the ketchup. Throw down the seasoned salt. Top it off. Alright, dude, you guys get ready for a nice cross section here, dude. Gonna get ready for a nice cross section. Yeah, Desolation. I bet you're hungry, bro. Alright, let me wash off this knife really quick. Alright, get ready, bro. We're about to do a nice cross section here. Let's see, how are we gonna do this? Yeah, we'll just cut it in half. Oh yeah, bro, look at this. Look at this, dude. Whoo! Alright, dude. Alright, you guys ready for this, dude? We're gonna take a nice juicy bite. Gonna take a nice juicy bite of this. Check it out, you guys. Check it out. Mmm. 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 Oh my god, this is so good, you guys. Mm. Oh, it's got them caramelized onions. Perfectly caramelized, you guys. Oh my god, it's got that nice bread and butter pickle, dude. Love bread and butter pickles. Mmm. Dude, the patty is so crispy, dude. We used 75-25 meat instead of 80-20 for that extra slider flavor. Got that seasoned salt on top, dude. Oh man. Mmm. Yeah, dude, check this out, dude. Perfect slider, bro. Got that perfect slider going on in here, dude. We got that King's Hawaiian sweet bread, dude. This is like an A+ burger, you guys. We got our freshly fried fries here. Mmm. Yeah, man, these are nice and crunchy. Mmm. You know, this burger will probably pair very nice with this California Right Zinfandel from Winkenau. This is a very high quality wine here. Yeah, this would probably go really good with this. Okay, well. Unfortunately, you guys, Ashlyn took all my wine glasses. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw it in a pint glass. Got my nice pint glass here, dude. Hold on, let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got on stock here. Alright, nothing. Nothing. Alright, unfortunately, guys, Ashlyn took all my hard liquor. So we're just gonna have a nice pairing here. You know, it's a nice 8.5 alcohol by volume wine here. Nice and good. Anything from the Winking Owl is gonna be super high quality, you guys. Like the Winking Owl is like the best, bro. Oh yeah, yeah, that was a good wine, you guys. Whoo! Come play games with the sliders. You got some jokes, bro. I gotta finish this. I gotta finish these cross sections, bro. We're gonna do another one here, dude. You gotta give the people what they want, dude. Take another one. Alright, dude, we'll fill up the pint glass a little more, you know. Don't have any wine glasses, unfortunately. Like, oh yeah, you want to see them cross sections, bro? Check this out.